What's up, guys? Today we are making a people stopper sign, a frame sign for nail saloon, for nail saloon, for nail salon, and client sent me brief, and she wanted to deploy pink and yellow and what else? Blue, and she wanted to make like Miami vibe. So yeah, so we gotta do research. We gotta do some artboards, and then we will proceed to the and then we will proceed. So I quickly jumped into action and started searching for the pictures that will be my inspiration for this project. And I quite quickly found these four and decided that those pictures will land on my artboard. And I'm gonna be honest, guys, I usually sketch out and pre-plan the project, but today I felt like, like freestyling. So I just jumped in and start messing around with the colors, with the pictures that I found, and just, playing with the form. And it's time to search for the font. So I went on my favorite website, 1001fonts.com.
Yo, yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change.
And what if you know, the picture that client sent me with the nails, it's quite shitty, so I gotta search for another one.
Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
As you may notice, guys, I've got too much going on this project, too many elements. It doesn't look clear, but that is what freestyling is for. Now I know the path, the direction I want to take. So next it will be starting the project once again. Just ditching the sketch, the freestyle sketch, and making a clean project from the start, but with those elements that I've already tested and I've already liked. Because of the freestyling, I already know what's gonna work and what's not gonna work, so it's good enough for me. I decided to change the background for the pink one. It will pop more, it will be visible more, so I had to cut out the hand and then change the background color. Some final touches and I will show you the results in 3, 2,